How to log into Quotex app. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Quotex. And as you can see, you will land on the login page, from which you need to enter your email and your password. And once you do that, click on Login to Account. Quotex then will send a PIN code to your email address, from which you need to copy that code and paste it in this field right here. So go ahead and do that. This is the code right here. Let's copy it and then go back to Quotex and paste it here. And once you do that, click on Login to Account. And you will be logged in. So that was it for this video. That's how you can log in the Quotex app. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.